White's target here is these 3 black stones. White's choices are really limited. Either this wedge or this cut. If white wedges here, black can play this double Atari. And now white has to decide which one to save. If it saves number 1, then white will fail. If it saves this stone and sacrifices number 1, white still gets to cut here. And if black captures number 5, white will get to play at number 7 and set up this connect and die. So this is one of the correct variations. If black Ataris from this side, then white can Atari here. It's also a cutting point. If black connects, then white can push through like this. And black only has 2 liberties left, and it cannot play this ladder because now white has the Atari on this black stone. So black will fail this way. If black's number 4 is here, then we're back to the first variation, where white will set up this connect and die. So number 1 is actually the correct move. What about cutting here? I think for the purpose of this problem, cutting here also works. If black plays here, now we're back to one of the previous variations. Black plays here, and it's very similar. White can either cut here and escape, or throw in here and play this. Either works for the purpose of capturing these 3 black stones. But if I have to choose between this wedge and this cut, I would choose this wedge, because after white plays this wedge, black's best response, if it plays at anything at all, is probably just connecting here. And white will connect, and this will be the end of the pattern. When white cuts here, then black can play this. So white is sacrificing 1 more stone here, which may not be good. Or if black wants this fight to be more chaotic, it can connect here. And now black has 4 liberties left. And that could be a headache for white sometime down the line. If white is not careful and plays here, then black can play this, threatening to capture 1 by the ladder, like this. So white's number 5 must take care of this cutting point. But now, for the purpose of this problem, black can play a ladder this way against white. So white's number 3 will actually lead to failure. So white's only response now is this move, thus leaving black with 4 liberties. And that may be a headache sometime down the line. Black will not be able to capture these white stones. White will be able to escape. But when the fights get more complicated, leaving black with 4 liberties might be a little dangerous for white. So that is why I prefer this wedging move, which is more simple for capturing these 3 black stones. Hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.